guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix something went wrong in TikTok. So let's get started. So to fix that, what you have to do is, first of all, check if you have a strong internet connection, and after checking it, just simply open up your Play Store, and in search bar you can search for TikTok. After searching for that, now what you can do is just simply check if your TikTok has an update. So if your TikTok application has an update, what you can do is just simply update it, and after updating it, you will fix your problem. But if that did not fix your problem, then what you can do is follow the other steps. Just simply head over to your TikTok and then tap and hold on your TikTok application. After doing that, just tap on the eye icon, which is app info. After tapping on it, just tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. After tapping on clear cache, what will happen is it will fix any issues or bugs that you were facing with your TikTok. So just do that, and after doing that, you should fix your problem. But even that does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply reinstall this application. So you just have to delete it. So just simply uninstall it, and after uninstalling it, just reinstall it, and after doing that, you should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix something went wrong in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.